Hey y'all, we're downtown at the riverfront. The dog gets to get off the leash, and we get to see some downtownness. Look at that. That's what Jacksonville looks like outside the suburbs. And that's what our sun has been covered up into today. Heavy, heavy, heavy trailing is back. Yep. But man, the edges of downtown sure are pretty, aren't they, girl? Who knew it was so nice down here? Well, still a little blue back there. A little bit they haven't covered yet here, but anyway. This is what downtown Jacksonville looks like. And that's what your sun looks like.